Hi, and welcome to the Gantto beta release. To introduce you to Gantto today, I'm going to load a schedule that I made in Microsoft Project previously, and I'm going to manipulate it to show two views that I think are going to be useful in an upcoming project review. So here I'm going to click over to my Microsoft Project schedule. Okay, so here's the schedule. I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to save this as an XML file, gantto.xml, save. Click Accept. Now I'm going to go back over to Gantto and go File, Open File, myfile.xml. Okay, and you can see as this loads, now I've got a task list on the left-hand side here, and I've got my Gantt chart on the right-hand side. So for my presentation, I'm focused on presenting kind of a summary view, maybe for like an executive review or something like that. And so I'm going to go ahead and hide this sidebar, and you can see that Gantto is automatically pulling all my milestones out here and marking them as M0 through M5 across the top. And now what I'm going to go ahead and do is roll the schedule up. So now I've got basically the main themes. And then I'm going to automatically fit this schedule so that I pick a font size that works well with the presentation that fits within the screen size that I have available. So here's one view, a snapshot view of the big picture. And then the next view is I know someone's interested in video production. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on video, produce video here, and expand this task. And it doesn't quite fit on the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the slider on the right and just carefully adjust the font size until I get the right mix of visibility on the screen and the level of detail I want to show. Okay, and then finally I'm just going to go ahead and rename this top task just to call it video, and then I'm going to call this next step demo, and then the next step production. Okay, so now I've quickly edited this guy. I've got it almost the way I want it, except for this one last thing, which is I know that the script detail is taking a little longer than I expected. So I'm just going to go ahead and push this out. Gantto is going to observe all the constraints that I set up in Microsoft Project, and now I'm good to go. Okay, in our next video we'll show you how to make a schedule from scratch using Gantto, and we would love to hear your feedback. Thank you.